Do you want this trade? This, and this. Let me show you how. This is V. I'm here to helping you to become a master in trading. So if you want to win in this market, you should have a strategy. The strategy is fit in your life, is work for you. So my strategy is day trading. I am trading Nasdaq in 5-minute time frame, and I already trade in the New York session. So this is I trade. So market open at 9:30. You can see the high volume right here. This is the New York session. So market is open and then going up after I see this trend line right here in the third touch, and I see this green candlestick right there. That is where I open my trade, and my target is this high right here. Nice, easy, simple trade. So when the market is not clear, I don't trade. Let me show you another one. And this is another trade. So market open at 9:30 in this candlestick right here. You can see this high volume right there. So market is uptrend and then pull back to the support area right here. After I see this pullback and two candlestick rejection right there, that's where I open my trade, and my target is this high right here. Nice, easy, simple trade. Let me show you another one. And this is another trade. So market is coming down. Market open as 9:30 in this candlestick right here. So then market is doing a double top. So after I see this rejection candlestick as a pin bar, that where to open the trade. I open the trade in after that candlestick is closed. My target is this high right here. Beautiful trade. Let me show you more. This is another trade I took. Market is break out and then pull back. After I see the pullback form the resistance here, and then become a support right there, right here. And then I see this candlestick right here, little one, red one right there, and then the green one after that. So that where I open my trade. My first target is this high right here, and the second target is right here. Wow, easy trade. If you don't see the market is in your setup, market is not clear, just do not trade. You don't have to trade every single day. And this is another trade. So market is coming down and then pull back to the supply area right here. After I see this red candlestick, I open the trade there. My target is this low right here. Once again, if you want to win in this market, you should have a strategy. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. See you next time.